Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix TikTok not letting you log in. To do this, you just need to go and open your TikTok account and go to your profile, and after that, click like on add account, or if you are opening the application you will see the screen directly. So the first thing is you need to be careful if you are in the sign up screen or the login screen, because for TikTok the first screen that will show you is the sign up screen. That means the screen for you to create a new account, not to log in. And if you have already an account and you want to log in, you have to click on the word login in pink on the bottom of the screen, like this. And now you are in the login screen. And in the login screen, there is something very important that you should do it, is that you should uh, be careful and sure that your internet is working, because sometimes, for example, you have no more data or you are not connected to Wi-Fi, so you should be sure that you are connected to the internet. The third thing is you should be sure from your credential. You should know exactly what account you are using for your TikTok account. And if you don't know the number or the email, or you should at least you know your username. And another thing, sometimes because the application is not up to date, is not updated, it can't show you the the place where you can log in, or it don't let you to log in. So also you should go to the Play Store or the Apple Store and be sure that your app is up to date. And the last option, if you can't log in, if you did all this and you can't log in, you can just go and get your password again, or do I forget my password, and you will in that case you will put a new password. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.